Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to upload in Google Drive and share link. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log in to your Google Drive. Then from here click on New. Now, here found File Upload and Folder Upload. If you want to upload whole folder, then you select Folder Upload. But for demonstration I select File Upload. Then a new window will appear. From here you can browse and select files to upload. Now I select 3 pics. Then click on Open. Now, it starts uploading. It takes some time to upload. When it's complete, it's time to share link of pic. Now, click on 3 dots on your file. Here you found Share option. Under Share option you find Share and Copy Link. With Copy Link option you can simply copy link and paste where you want. Copy link is pretty big option, so click on it. If you want to share this by email, then from here you can do that from here. From here you can public this file by selecting anyone with the link. With this option anyone can see your file by clicking on the link. Otherwise only those people can see who have access to open this file by the owner. You can also copy link from here. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.